तो जो लोग बोलते हैं ना फ्रेशर की नौकरी लगती नहीं है, यहाँ से सबसे बढ़िया तो बार्कलेज ये भी। बट ड्रीम कंपनी तो होती है ना बार्कलेज, सुनने में भी अच्छा लगता है। आई डोंट नो द पैकेजेस, आर यू, हाँ मैं प्लेस कॉमर बैठा हुआ है, आर दे अलाउड टू टॉक अबाउट द पैकेजेस?
It's well above 50. Well above 50.
So specifically मेरे रेज्यूमे में तो गैप था 2 years.
For 2 years ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। और जिनका है तो मोटिवेशन लेके जाना कि गैप वाले बंदे की भी नौकरी लगती है।
According to me, in your resume, the most important thing is the keywords. Because with that keywords only, the company shortlist your resume, and you will be into a good company when you get shortlisted for that company.
Barclays doesn't come to, you know, random schools for sure. It's only IIM, ABC, SPJMR, MD, Gurgaon, FMS, and you are lucky that NIIT के अंदर Barclays भी आ रही है और हायर भी कर रही है। तो कुछ फनी थी हुई किसी के साथ इंटरव्यू के अंदर, या कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि भाई गए, मैं तो भाई इंटरव्यू में बैठा हूँ और पैनलिस्ट कुछ भी पूछ रहा है, and I think I'm going to lose this job.
Like my interview was at 7:30 in the morning. The place commerce called me that comes. I woke up and I just went. I was like, I don't know anything. And the first question they gave me, I in that question. But yeah.
Hi, place com, what is this happening? What kind of words is using here? Okay. तू कर देना इसको भाई editor, हाँ. Alright, hi everyone, welcome on board. Lot of people have been asking me questions on how to get the best placement out of business school. क्या मुझे बैंकिंग के अंदर अच्छी नौकरी कैसे निकालनी है, कंसल्टिंग के अंदर कैसे जाना है, या बार्कलेज, यहाँ पे बिग 4 में से बिग 3 के लोग मेरे साथ बैठे हुए हैं और जो काफी लोगों की ड्रीम कंपनी होने वाली है। बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, आई एम इन NIBM here today, which is कब से इस्टेब्लिश है तुम्हारा कॉलेज? 1969 इस्टेब्लिश कॉलेज। दिस कॉलेज वाज सेट अप बाय द वे RBI। और आज हम बात करेंगे ये कैसे कैसे नौकरी दिलवा रहे हैं। Till it's my 5th year to coming on the campus. I really genuinely like the business school as well. और मुझे कमेंट करके बताएगा जिन लोगों ने ऑलरेडी अप्लाई कर दिया है, करने वाले हो, और किस कैट पर्सनल पे किया है। कुछ चेंजेस हुई इनकी फॉर्म और एडमिशन के अंदर, वो बातें बाद में करेंगे। बट लेट्स हियर इट आउट हाउ टू गेट द बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट एंड लेट्स हियर देयर introduction as well. Hi, welcome here. What's your name again?
Sakshi Amrutkar.
Sakshi, please a little bit of a profile and very.
Okay, so I have been placed into Barclays as a risk analyst role for wholesale credit risk department, and I got into Barclays through, it was basically 2 rounds, technical and then HR round and everything.
That's great. That's great. What about you?
Hello sir, my name is Sarvesh. So I come from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. So after my graduation, I had 2 years gap. You might know that I did prepare for UPSC, but कुछ हुआ नहीं. Then I came at NIBM, and NIBM gave me a chance, and I took it, and today I'm at KPMG.
क्या ग्रेट, ये रेगुलर है, ये बहुत कम है। whenever I go to MDI और an IFT और an SPG in Bombay, you know, और Excel Rai के सेम बच्चे दूसरे साल भी बैठे हुए हैं। इस सेकंड ईयर में आके मेरे कैमरे के लास्ट से भी were there as well. Superb यार, great. हाँ जी, how about you?
Hello sir, I am Manasvi, and I am currently placed at PwC, and I did my internship in equity research at OmniScience Capital, and I am from YMSC, and yeah, NIBM gave me a good opportunity to work in my dream company.
That's great. That's great. Thank you. Thank you. Great. Awesome.
Good afternoon. My name is Suyash Srivastav. I secured a summer internship at Ernst & Young EY, and I secured a pre-placement offer over there in the Department of Market Risk and Counterparty Credit Risk. I have done my Bachelor's of Technology from Manipal University, Jaipur, in the field of information technology.
Excellent.
So that's
Great. PPO, हाँ? Not
Right.
bad, yeah, not bad. जिनको अभी तक नहीं पता है, कॉलेज के अंदर जाने वाले हो, PPO is pre-placement offer. You guys go for a summer internship, and then if they like you, then they give you, okay, once you finish your MBA, you can come back and join us full time as well. Which means second year में पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है ना? Attendance on point है कि नहीं तेरी?
cannot comment over that right now.
So you start chilling, हाँ?
पढ़ते तो फर्स्ट ईयर में भी नहीं थे.
पढ़ते नौकरी कैसे लगी? आज हम यही बताने वाले, पढ़ते ही बहुत पढ़ते हैं, हाँ, जैसे झूठ बोल रहे हैं। हाँ भाई, क्या सीन है? कैसे निकलती है यार बेस्ट नौकरी?
सर पढ़ना इज फाइन, यू डू इट ऑल दैट, बट रिज्यूमे अच्छा होना चाहिए और सेलिंग आना चाहिए सर. अगर आपको पता है आपके रिज्यूमे में क्या है, आपको अपने पॉइंट्स पता है, आप कंपनी को बेच दोगे ना, कंपनी आपको ले लेगी. दैट इज व्हाट आई फील.
अपने को बेच दोगे, गुड विल कम टू दैट. तो तूने उसके पहले बात बताई कि रिज्यूमे अच्छा होना चाहिए. व्हाट आर द फ्यू फैक्टर्स? लेट्स डू अ क्विक राउंड हियर एंड टॉक अबाउट, लेट्स डू अ रैपिड फायर हियर. तो और मुझे बताओ कि फटाफट रिज्यूमे के अंदर क्या क्या हाईलाइट्स होती हैं और क्या तुम्हारे रिज्यूमे अच्छा था, व्हिच वेंट नाइस फॉर यू?
Okay, so in my case, I'll be honest, I had no prior internship experience. I was a complete fresher. So when I came to NIBM, I got my internship with Tata Capital. So I had only that thing in my resume and my bachelor's in commerce and finance, everything. So interviewer was like, ki, what sets you apart from the other candidates? Because they had done CA or some students were appearing for those exams and everything. So it was not entirely that they will check whether you have experience, but how much knowledge do you have about what you've done. So you should be clear with your basics, your background and everything. So it is.
And being a fresher also you got Barclays.
Yes, yes.
तो जो लोग बोलते हैं ना फ्रेशर की नौकरी लगती नहीं है, यहाँ से सबसे बढ़िया तो Barclays ही है being honest. But ड्रीम कंपनी तो होती है ना Barclays, सुनने में भी अच्छा लगता है. I don't know the packages. Are you हाँ भी प्लेसकॉम और बैठा हुआ है. Are they allowed to talk about the packages?
Not the exact figures, but yeah,
Ballpark.
well above
अपनी
the.
चल अपनी बता दे, तेरे को तो allowed है. Ballpark.
It's well above 15.
Above
So,
15.
well
Okay,
above 15.
great. सबका इतना है?
Yes.
सबकी 15 लाख के ऊपर.
Yes.
I heard that nobody is allowed to come on the campus at 10-12 lakh as well, right? इसके ऊपर ही होना चाहिए. क्या allow कर देते हैं?
So there is a minimum bar of all the firms that are coming for our placements and internships. So in the placement cycle, the minimum bar has been increasing since the past few years.
Mhm.
So it's around 11.
और 11 के नीचे कंपनी मतलब होगा नहीं कोई बच्चा, not
So
bad.
that will not be acceptable.
That'll not be acceptable. That's great. I mean, fresher के लिए 11 ठीक है, but somebody who's coming with the work experience for 2-3 years in TCS or a Wipro already at a package of 5 lakhs, then it takes a gap of 2 years. That could be slightly tricky for sure. But I know how much percentage of the class would be work experience, Janta?
So the work experience candidates must be around 10 to 12%.
Okay.
So mostly we have freshers and
Then that's decent. Great. हाँ, resume के अंदर और क्या अच्छा होना चाहिए?
So specifically मेरे resume में तो gap था for 2 years.
For 2 years.
For 2
ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? और जिनका है तो मोटिवेशन लेके जाना कि गैप वाले बंदे की भी नौकरी लगती है. उन्होंने पूछा नहीं क्या?
Sir, so I had to my answers for that. I prepared for UPSC, CDSC.
Yeah.
I even gave a lot of SSBs.
They were convinced with that?
Yes, sir.
answer?
They did ask me that how did it help you and all that, but I was able to convince them. Also, internship I had done.
You
I-
sold yourself.
Yes, I-
क्या 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 बोला तूने? गैप ईयर जिन क्या है भाई, सुन लेना ध्यान से. तेरा अच्छा ठीक है यूपीएससी, बट didn't they cross question you कि यार मैं क्यों नहीं गया वहाँ पे? You're a loser. You left in between.
So that is about mindset, na. I did not lose. I learned from that experience.
Hmm.
That would be using. I'll be using it in the company.
आता लड़की को आता है, आता है. Good. Great. How about you? Manasvi?
So basically, according to me, in your resume, the most important thing is the keywords. Because with that keywords only the company shortlist your resume, and you will be into a good company when you get shortlisted for that company. So I had internships in various fields, not basically in finance or banking, but still I could write those keywords that helped me in getting shortlisting in the companies, in the good companies also. So basically keywords should be there into your resume.
So ऐसा तो कोई भी कुछ भी लिख लेगा यार, मेरा जो दिल करेगा, I'm gonna write those keywords ताकि call
No
आए.
sir, so basically keywords according to what you have done. जैसा if I speak, so if you have done in marketing, you have an internship in marketing, but here you'll get finance roles. So marketing also you can modify those marketing words into something related to finance, and that will help you to catch good.
Maybe you're doing the budgeting side of
Yeah.
marketing as well. बहुत बढ़िया, that's lovely. So rather than saying digital marketing campaign run किया, you talk about numbers there.
Yeah.
I quantified this number because banking, finance, etc. Even consulting is all about numbers as well. What do you think?
so I believe that there are so many candidates who have a backstory, they have a character, and when they write it all down on their resume, they should be well versed with what they have done. And if they're able to speak upon it, if they're able to communicate their story well to captivate the recruiter, maybe the interviewer, so they're able to actually sell themselves, like he said. So that is how a recruiter gets actually impressed and he feels that this candidate has that intention.
What worked more? Like, is it what you've done for Barclays? Is it combination of extracurricular, co-curricular?
I would say it is more based on your academic knowledge in my interview case.
ये
So,
topper है, ये कुछ भी बोलता
Topper
है।
है?
so it was more upon, he did not ask me about my extracurricular that much, but he asked me core technical questions.
ये सब
on
चलो,
my-
let's take a small break here. पर मुझे 10th 12th के नंबर बताओ. कई लोग हमारा वीडियो सुन रहे हैं, उनके 10th 12th के नंबर अच्छे नहीं होते and they think they're screwed up for life. What is the 10th 12th graduation? You can say like 898 ऐसे करके.
So it's 899.
899, not bad.
867.
867. सारे बाप किसी ने किया है. सारे गैप ईयर भी भाई का भी है, ग्रेजुएशन भी ठीक है. गुड. हाँ.
Mine is 898.
898.
978.
978. Okay, 8 is graduation, not bad. Yeah. Great. तो decent score तो है, but ऐसे लोग हैं कोई क्लास में जिसका 5 भी हो गई ग्रेजुएशन में और नौकरी लग गई.
Yes, there are many.
Yeah?
Yeah.
तो भाई जो 5 लगी हुई उनकी नौकरी. प्लेस कॉमर बताएगा, इसकी बात में भरोसा नहीं है, टॉपर है. ये बताएगा मैं सच.
Again, so even those students who have had a problematic graduation score or maybe 10th or 12th, there are certain companies which place a criteria, but there are many companies which don't. And in the interview room, how he answers the question, how he communicates the answers, so that depends upon those academies.
Which are one or two companies on the top of my mind which are like 60 के ऊपर ही चाहिए मेरे को, नहीं तो मैं लूंगा ही तेरे को शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं आया.
So, KPMG, for example, has been one of them. Axis Bank has been one of them.
ये बॉर्डर लाइन पे कैसे पास हुआ है KPMG को?
सर 12th में 67 था ना, 7% ज़्यादा था.
60 वो 60 के हैं. अच्छा 60 के ऊपर तो आप सेफ हो, उसके नीचे कुड बी टाइकी, राइट? एंड डिपेंड्स विद द कंपनी, डिपेंड अपॉन
That's about the companies in the
ऑल द इंटरव्यूज. यस, व्हाट्स योर टेक यार? क्या क्या पूछा तुम्हारे इंटरव्यूज में?
So the set of extracurriculars that I had and certain skills that I had mentioned, like programming languages and some tools that I could use, projects and certifications, these were the
आपने
things.
कुछ किया है?
So my projects pertaining to what I did in my undergrad. So this is my internship interview experience.
They are still asking those undergraduate subjects now in your interviews in
Right. So that was the
business schools.
right.
Wow.
That was the experience that I had at that point when I was sitting for my internship interviews. So they asked projects from that time and skills and tools used at that time, and then they wanted to understand how in-depth knowledge that I had. Was I well versed with my background and whatever I've claimed to do? So that was the case.
That's great. How about you? What was the highlight of the interview? कुछ funny thing हुई किसी के साथ इंटरव्यू के अंदर, या कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि भाई गए, मैं तो भाई इंटरव्यू में बैठा हूँ और पैनलिस्ट कुछ भी पूछ रहा है एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोना लूज दिस जॉब, ऐसा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग किसी इंटरव्यू के अंदर?
साथ हुआ था
हाँ, कौन सा?
in PwC only. तो they gave me a question to solve,
Hmm.
and मैंने literally वो question I did wrong, and the interviewer came outside and he told me that you have done this question wrong, and still I got into that interview.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wow.
During my KPMG interview, HR round, HR just asked me what is the full form of KPMG. I knew कि 4 लोगों के नाम है, but
हाँ.
at that time I was not able to recall. So I just
And 2 days prior, I had told every single batchmate that to remember KPMG's full form.
And trust me, this is like a dream job of many business people in India, right? Most of the CAs की life यहीं पे शुरू होती है and they ended up Big Four में जाना है, Big Four में जाना है, और वो तुम्हें यहाँ पे मिल गया without doing a CA as well, right? Barclays doesn't come to, you know, random schools for sure. It's only IIM, ABC, SPJMR, MD, Gurgaon, FMS, and you are lucky that NIBM के अंदर Barclays भी आ रही है और hire भी कर रही है. तो अभी कुछ कर सकते हैं ये 2 महीने पहले कॉलेज ज्वाइन करने के पहले, बिकॉज कुछ लोग IIMABC जाएंगे, कुछ लोग मेरे स्कूल जाएंगे, SPJMR, कुछ आपके पास NIBM पढ़ रहे होंगे, क्या क्या कर सकते हैं to get the best job?
So, sir, basically in NIBM interviews, they in order to convert NIBM, firstly they used to ask various questions like Basel norms and risk. The person who is not from finance or commerce background, they are fully unaware about what are these concepts or anything. So even in your interviews for NIBM as well as here at placement, so better you complete some kind of basic course, introductory course to understand these concepts. What is risk management and what are the basics of it. So it would help a lot.
पढ़ के आओगे,
Yes.
तुम अगर बैंकिंग फाइनेंस के रोल
Creates a lot difference between
That's
a
what I'm
ordinary
trying to
student.
But the 2 months that you have right now, before getting into business school, is focus on your skills. Like that is the thing that will differentiate you from the other people who are
skills
into
like what?
skills like Sarvesh told, like you can learn Python, or you can run R, or you can do many certificates as well, like investment banking certificates.
basic
or other
communication skills
certificates.
सीख लो.
Yeah.
Communication skills,
Communication
strategies,
skills, yeah.
Mindset. So we study Python during the course of our curriculum here as well. We do a lot of risk subjects. So to develop that mindset to get the job done, like if there's a deadline to get it done, because then there's a lot of huge deadlines and that kind of pressure is there. So to get the job done, so that mindset.
Right, boys and girls, any parting thoughts to all the listeners who are listening to you? You guys were sitting on that side of the table last year, right? How did it feel? अभी आके ज्ञान दे रहे भाई. How did it feel, yeah?
Feels great, sir. At that time internship भी नहीं था.
हाँ.
आज KPMG में बैठे.
क्या बात है. Good, yeah, good.
So before coming here, right, 2 years back, 1.5 years back, we used to see your videos and get inspiration from that. And we cannot even imagine the day that we got into NIBM and now we are getting placed into huge companies. It's really very exciting and very motivational journey, right from that side of the table to this side.
2 years back, we were listening to your videos, your that yellow sheets. Yeah, everything, and those were like, yeah, we have to go into a B school, we have to crack it, and today we cracked it. So it is like, yes, it is very motivating for ourselves, and it is a pleasure for us to sit here with you and
You guys are role model. You've done it. वहाँ पे बैठ के जो लोग सुन रहे हैं ना, ये लोग inspirations हैं यार. Some people come from बनारस से, these small towns से, वहाँ से आके इसका gap year है. ये इन हंसते हुए चेहरों के पीछे बहुत मेहनत गई. बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत एफर्ट किया है, बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है. ऐसा नहीं कि सबका पहली कंपनी में इंटरव्यू क्रैक हो जाता है, right? They have worked on their communication skills. All right, thank you so much for your time. It was lovely meeting you guys, and thank you so much for inviting me here. Boys and girls, do it on the like button for sure. और इसने बोल ही दिया है, like, share, comment करेगा. और मुझे comment करके एक चीज पक्का बताना, anybody who's already applied to NIBM या thinking of applying to the college also, और मुझे कमेंट्स और डिटेल बताना, अपना कैट पर्सनल बताना. अभी इन लोगों ने कैट तो भाई ले रहे हैं, पर दैट सीमैट से सब छोड़ दिया है. सो और जो लोग अप्लाई करने वाले, डेडलाइन इज कमिंग नाउ. कमेंट्स करके बताएगा. थैंक यू सो मच जॉइनिंग इन, और थैंक यू बोल देना हमारे बच्चों को फॉर कमिंग हियर एंड स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद यू गाइस. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.